they're not crying, so they can't be in pain, right? Hi, I'm Drew. I'm the vet here at MSK Vets, and this is the next in our series from International Animal Pain Awareness Month. I'm going to be talking a little bit about myth busting. Now, there's a few common things that seem to have crept into normal everyday discussion about animals and their pain. Now, the first one is, if they're not limping, they're not in pain. That cannot be further from the truth. Animals don't need to limp or show physical signs of pain to actually be in significant discomfort. They can be really, really subtle cues. Some of them would be behavioral, some of them will be just day-to-day things like failing to get up when you walk in the door or not being as keen to go out and exercise. So just because they're not limping doesn't mean they're not in pain. The next myth we're going to address is slowing down is a natural part of aging. Again, just something that seems to have crept in. When they get old, we expect them to get stiff. That stiffness can be a sign of pain. It can be joint immobility, it can be restricted movement, it can simply be uncomfortable doing day-to-day tasks. So we don't need to accept that slowing down is a natural part of the aging process. So the next one on the list is they're happy, they're eating, they're wagging their tail, they've got to be okay. Sadly, that's not the case. Many animals will continue to compensate and show normal day-to-day activities, just not showing the signs of discomfort. Very often they'll do it just because they want to please us and they feel they need to. So that's something that we need to address. The final one is that I would know if my dog was in pain, wouldn't I? It doesn't need to be dramatic. It can be really, really subtle things. Like we've alluded to before, like not wanting to get up when you walk in the door. It can be subtle things like being less willing to engage with play behavior, less engaged with exercise. Sometimes it can be behavioral changes like becoming more reactive with other animals in the family. So that's our 4 big myths: limping, slowing down, eating and wagging tail, and also I would know if my dog was in pain. We cannot take these things for granted. We have to keep looking. If you're worried that your animal might be in pain, then reach out to your vets, reach out to physiotherapists or other related professionals, or simply pick up the phone to us and just have a chat. We're here to help.